Okay, so meatballs, you got a package of ground beef, some fresh garlic, and some Italian seasoning. And that's what you start with. Okay, now we're going to add just a little bit of panko breadcrumbs. I suppose probably it's somewhere between a quarter and a third of a cup. And then I have an egg that I've whisked up, and I'm going to add that. And that's all there is to that part. Okay, and then what you do is you mix all that up. I use a fork and just kind of mash it all together. Try to get as much of that egg and panko and your good herbs all mixed together there. And I mix it in a steel bowl, so from this point on, it's going to be a hand mix. And I just grab a small handful and make a meatball and put it directly into the cooking cast iron skillet. Okay, so this is how we actually make the meatball. And I like to make them small so you don't have to cut them in half. But if you just take a small amount of meat, even on the back of a fork, put it in your hand and then roll it in your hand with a little bit of compression so that it rolls up tight and you get a nice little meatball. You end up with about a pan full of them just off of 1 pound of meat. And from there we'll go into the oven at 385 with a lid on it. And it won't take them very long. I use a thermometer to test how hot they are in the middle. They want to be about 150, 160 degrees inside the meatball when they're cooked. And then they'll finish cooking in the pan as you take them out. Okay, that's it.